that I won't spend a ton of time on because it is fleeting. It has, I think I've reordered it 3 times now. And it is the Sugar Plum Collection from Pretty Little Studio. This, if you've been looking at it, I will tell you, I have had my little box of product here that usually I have one of everything so I can kind of play with and work with. This box probably has had to get pulled from 3 or 4 times because the products that I've had in my stash have sold out on the website. So I kind of keep pulling and pulling because I don't want to show you things that, that I no longer have. So what is left on the website of Sugar Plum is all there will be. I will not bring any other kind of restocks of any of the Christmas collections because we're, pretty close to the end of the season. So we have 2 paper packs, the 6x9 paper pack and the 6x9 ledger paper pack. So let's take a look at these very quickly. We will also use this. If we don't use it this weekend on the 21st, we will use it on the 28th. So both the collections that I have shown you, we will be using the next 2 weekends. Beautiful colors, super bright. I love the pink in this collection. The pink and the mint, definitely non-traditional Christmas colors, but Melissa does just such an amazing job, right? Mixing in the colors and the patterns. You still have some traditional of your red and green, but I love that pink in there. That is a really fun one. That could be used as a sheet by itself, or you could cut out those little scallops, which would be fun. Super neutral kind of red polka dots, pink snowflakes, all of those vintage icons that we'll see in both the die cuts and the stickers. A great plaid, lovely stripe. Love that kind of candy cane stripe. Ooh, that is fun, isn't it? I haven't opened up any of this, you guys, so I'm seeing it as you are. The little candy canes, 2-tone or 3-colored candy canes. Cute. And this is great. That obviously works for Christmas, but that works for anything. Love the stars. Love the stars that Melissa does. Those are large stars with a kind of a graph paper background. Little teeny stars. Little teeny multicolored hearts. Words that I love. Some of those are highlighted. And that is the 6x9 paper pack. So there are not 15. Are there 15 in there? I don't think so. 16 sheets. 16 sheets, duh, Lil. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 sheets of single-sided paper in that 6x9. And that is just a regular 6x9 paper pack in the Sugar Plum Christmas collection. Then we have the ledger. So ledger, Heather said this collection is so cute. It is. I agree with you, Heather. I agree. I think it's just darling. So fun little mixed page there with little vintage, like little vintage Christmas cards, vintage artwork. Something like that is so fun, especially a person like me, where I'm like, ooh, I don't mix media. I don't even know what to do. And so I tend to be pretty plain. She's done a beautiful job of kind of layering different pieces of artwork there. Super cute one as well. Look at that nice little pink mailbox. Love the vintage art in this collection. Pink Santa. That's a fun one. Super basic, but I love all those little plus signs. Oh, look how sweet. The little nutcracker. Super just kind of tone on tone there. A little bit of paint splatter. That's beautiful. Little flowers and the little deer peeking out. Another good one. Nice ledger. Another little graph paper. And then we have some more of that vintage artwork. Ooh, that is fun, isn't it? So we've got a couple of different layers there. The graph paper, the pink hearts, and then kind of that ink. Very similar there. That almost looks like a little gesso on top. And that little guy with our little mouse. With our little mouse. With our little mouse peeking out. He's looking up. It took me a while to figure that out. Just a white grid. And those are the 16 sheets that are part of that ledger pack. The 6x9 ledger pack for Sugar Plum. Alrighty. Next up, we have a couple packs of die cuts. So I'm going to go over these pretty quickly just because I want to make sure we have lots of time to focus on a couple of other things. This pack is the plum pudding brackets and vintage die cuts. 16 pieces there. So some great little brackets for a little title or maybe a little bit of journaling. These would be great in like a December documented or a December daily, as you're just maybe adding a little tiny story, a little bit of writing, and then nice little icons that you could layer on top of those brackets or use separately. Little yawning kitty there, so cute. This guy. This one, Pink Santa die cuts. We have to open this one. We just have to open this one. This one I've brought in quite a few times just because it's so cute. And you guys have enjoyed it as well. That's why I brought it in a couple times. But look at this, look, jolly Pink Santa. Another Pink Santa in his little pink suit. So cute. Pink Santa calling, maybe checking in on some presents. Little teeny pieces in there. Look at how sweet that vintage artwork. Santa and the cute little deer. Little Bambis. Little Dasher, Dancer, Prince, or Vixens. Look how cute he is with his candy cane tucked behind his ear. These are the Pink Santas, okay? Well, clearly, but that's what the collection, or that's what the die cut pack is called, Pink Santas. These are the, there's two versions. Well, because I only have one here, then I'll only talk about this one. Look at this little, those little like fairies, little elves maybe with wings. Look at Santa's list. So fun. Anyhow, those are Pink Santas, and they are just the cutest little things ever. And then look at our little guy here. Little Santa trying to balance those darling presents, cute wrapped presents. All right, so those are Pink Santas. There are 21 pieces in that little Pink Santas pack. Then we have lots of piles of things on my floor. Nutcracker die cuts. So if you are really into the Nutcracker, this would be really fun pack of die cuts. Maybe you're going to the Nutcracker. Actually, these have nothing to do with the Nutcracker. Those little ornaments there, super cute. Ooh, I love that one. Let's separate these ornaments. Cute little mouse sleeping in a pine cone. Look at little mice in here are cute. Okay, so even though now that we look at this, even though this pack is called Nutcracker, we haven't even hit anything yet that's Nutcracker. Although, look at little ballerina mouse. Little dancing couple there, little mouse. So, Nutcracker-ish, right? Nutcracker-ish. Here we go. Here are a couple of more little ballerinas, and those could be used on lots of different things, right? Neither of those are real specific to Nutcracker. You have a couple of cute Nutcrackers. Nutcracker, there we go. But look at all of these. The artwork, you guys, behind these. Look at how fun, like hand-drawn and really cool, almost like watercolor effect on those guys. All right, those are the Nutcracker die cuts. There are 25 pieces in there. Moving right along, we have another tray. These guys are the sprinkle die cuts. So 42 pieces there. You have some nutcrackers, some little bows, some mice, a couple of deer, a little snow globe, number of the ornaments that we saw. So super cute pack. Smaller in scale, right? Smaller in scale than the Nutcracker pack that we just looked at. Lots of awesome die cuts. These are the holiday stems. So very floral. Cute candy canes. Couple of bows. Some greenery. Some pinkery and greenery. Some poinsettias. 38 in the holiday stems. And this will be the second to the last die cut pack. This one is called the Sugar Plum Die Cut Mix. This is going to give you an assortment of tabs and tickets and banners and flags and a few icons to go with it. All right, so all of these, if you're like, oh, wait a minute, hold on, Lael, that die cut mix, I want to see it up close. My website, you'll see that on there. So link in the description box of the video is the link to the Sugar Plum Collection. And from there, you can see each of those packs and kind of zoom in on the pieces. And then some little stamps there too. 74. That's a big one. That has lots in it. 74. And then of course, and I love my labels, the jelly bean labels. So 26 labels, a couple different shapes and different colors. All right, that takes us to, oops, one more. These are fruitcake banners. Now these are quite a bit larger. Let's take a look at some of these. These, if you're working in a traveler's notebook, little bit too wide for a single page, but you could certainly split it and have two on each page. Look at that. That is stunning. We see all those beautiful ornaments that we saw in that Nutcracker pack. But great. If you're a 12 by 12 scrapbooker, the scale of these is really great for some of your larger pages. There's a little mini version of that. These are the fruitcake banners. So cute. Kind of a larger, smaller version. All right. Oh, that's what we have. Look, large, small. I just, only takes me a minute, friends. Only takes me a minute. There we go. So you have larger versions and smaller versions of each of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So that would mean there were 10 pieces in there. I can do math. Okay. Let's take a look at the stickers. Couple of sticker sheets, and then we will take a look at some very exciting things. All this is very exciting. Eggnog stickers. So that is a 5 by 7 sheet, 49 little stickers. So these are great in your smaller, in your smaller projects. Tags, cards. These would be cute little things in your traveler's notebooks as accents as well. So eggnog stickers, 49 pieces. The hearts, I am a sucker for every time. Actually, I shouldn't say every time. Melissa does hearts, both die cuts and stickers in all of her collections. And these to me are a no-brainer because you can always use a heart somewhere. Right? Everybody needs a heart. So together, that looks very Christmassy. But when you pull all those, apart and use pink somewhere and a green somewhere, those can be used for lots of different things. Those are sugar cookies heart stickers. 48 pieces. You have the figgy pudding word strip stickers, 149. Lots of great little cute colored word strip stickers with either white or black writing. And my website will show you that up close if you want to kind of read all those words. Last but not least, we have the frosted label stickers. All right, so just smaller labels. Some people like to work with die cuts. Some people like to work with stickers. You've got both options. 26 of those. And that is what is left of Sugar Plum. Like I said, if you have been holding out thinking, ooh, I want to get that. Oh no, it'll be okay. She'll reorder. It'll be fine. I'm done with the reorders. No more reordering on Sugar Plum because we're getting too close to lots of other things